Okay, this is my Viking bag presentation on my new 2024 Harley Heritage. I had a 2015 Harley Heritage, which I had Viking bags on also. When I got rid of my 2015 and obtained a 2020, I put the 2015 bags on my 2020. When I traded this in recently, I purchased a new set of Viking bags. They are somewhat of an improvement over the old set. They're very functional, great on road trips as they hold a lot of gear, and they are weatherproof. One additional feature Viking made as they made the new bags is the latch. As you see, just one quick motion and the bags themselves are very spacious. They hold a lot of gear. I usually utilize my left bag for everyday things that I need. My right bag, as you can see, is full. In it, I carry a tool bag, extra gloves, a sweatshirt, a vest, and when it's cold, I could fold my jacket and place it on top of these items. So you can see there's plenty of room. They do come with locks. And they are attractive. What first brought me to these bags, they are the only bags I was able to find for the Heritage that actually fit the lines of the bike. As you can see, it tapers, and the bags themselves taper to give a good smooth line to the motorcycle itself. I've received a lot of compliments and have recommended these bags to many people. I do recommend these for people that like to tour